8 years in online marketing, first 3 years I earned zero money from it. On my fourth and fifth years, I just made $50 to $200, but not consistent. Then on my sixth year, fourth month, I made my first $1,000, $1,000 month. On this journey, first 5 years of failures in online marketing, affiliate marketing taught this 5 skill you must need to know to succeed in affiliate marketing 2020 and beyond. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get success in affiliate marketing by learning this affiliate marketing skill, and you must watch this video till the end. And do smash that like button to learn these 5 skills. And if you're first time in my channel Affiliate Conversion, do subscribe my channel to convert your affiliate offer. And if you're looking to make money online working from home, guys, I am making money online using a online business marketing model which we call affiliate marketing. So you can learn, you can watch few of my video before you make a subscribing decision. So my number one affiliate marketing skill you must need to know to succeed in affiliate marketing is, guys, content marketing. So now you might be wondering why I said content marketing or content creation is one of the very important skill in affiliate marketing. For that, guys, here you can see this is one of the marketplace which is called ClickBank. It's one of the biggest marketplace for any beginners to get into here to promote any product on different niches. So if you get into the marketplace of this ClickBank, here you can see these are the product on the niche of health and fitness. Here you can see one of the offer called research, and if you go and type this offer here in the Google, guys, now here you can see these are the paid ads. Okay, and after this paid ad, guys, here you can see these are known as content, guys. A lot of people are creating contents, writing a blogs on a basis of reviews. Some people write reviews, some people just share their features. Okay, that is completely different, but these contents are organic, guys. Once if you learn how to create blogs or able to rank in the Google search engine result page, guys, this will give you a organic free traffic. Same thing in the YouTube. Right here you can see this. If you type research, here people are creating content on this. This is known as video content, and that was a blog, guys. Whatever the content platform is, right? Even it can be a social media post, but if you learn how to create this, guys, this is become very, very easy for you to promote. Even if you're into tight budget or you're a beginner, creating contents, creating like blogs, creating videos like this, guys, which will give you a lot of free traffics. Here you can see this, guys. This video has uploaded 1 month back, guys, and got almost 3,000 views, guys. This is 2 months back, guys, just 3,000 views on this again. Okay, this is 4,000 views, guys, 1 month back. Why these videos are getting a lot of free traffic, guys? Right, this is the power of content marketing, creating content on videos. Okay, YouTube. Even in the blog, guys, here you can see this blog has written only 17 hours ago, guys, just 17 hours ago, and that is ranking here in the search engine result page. Okay, right, look at this. Okay, this is an April 7. So here you can see these guys how they are writing the reviews, guys, and they are talking about how does research works in body, how effective ingredients of research, right, and all these things they have given, right, feature, usage, side effects, and that's how they are reviewing here in this product, guys. And if you click this, guys, this is their affiliate links. Okay, and they'll make the money from it. If you open this video, guys, here you can see this. She is reviewing about the product, sharing the features and benefit. It's not always about the feature and benefit, guys. You can still make a video on how to lose belly fat or how to lose fat, and then you can give this affiliate link here, how she has given here. You can do this thing any niche, guys. Go and do your research. You will find that people are creating contents. My second affiliate marketing skill you must need to know to succeed in affiliate marketing is, guys, providing values. So if you're into Google, guys, if you type here, right, how to lose belly fat for women, okay, any keyword, by the way, and here you can see this. These are the contents coming here, guys. As I said, content is really important. Apart from that, guys, once if you know how to create a content, the second most important thing is, right, providing values. Okay, look at this. These people are providing values. 15 best exercise to lose belly fat. Okay, they're ranking here. If you open their content, guys, here, look at this. They are giving you a lot of right, free values, right? Burpees, mountain climbers. These are the workouts which people do to lose belly fat, guys, especially exclusive design for women. Okay, so this is known as values, guys, providing values, whatever the format is, guys. It can be blog, it can be a video, it can be, right, any social media platform. This is my Facebook page, guys. In this I am just providing free values, guys, and from this page, guys, I made thousands of dollars, which I have very few followers, guys. With this only, guys, I made very good money. Right now I am not promoting any offer with this because right now I'm totally into paid traffic, but I was using this page to make money or to drive traffic in my landing page, guys. You should know how to create a content, right, which is giving values to the people. And once if you have it, guys, in your Facebook page or group or Instagram, you can easily drive traffic to your landing page and you can make some sales. My third very important affiliate marketing skill you must need to know to succeed in affiliate marketing is copywriting, guys. This is all about once you create an ad, right? Paid ads, whatever the platform, guys, Facebook ad, YouTube ads, right? Google ads, you have to write the copies. So here I'm talking about, right here you can see this is one of my campaign. I'm just showing you, I was talking about the primary text, okay, which you're writing. So this is really important for the success of your ad, guys. This is not just simply a text. Because when I started writing affiliate marketing, promoting the product with paid ads, especially with Facebook ads, right, I have seen that this is not just simply a text, because a lot of my ads, even I am ready with my good budget, right, to invest like $50 to $100 on a campaign, just because of this ad copies, I was not getting the conversion, guys. So over a period of a time, guys, I started learning about this, right, how to write a copy. Today I make a lot of good money as one of my business, right, writing a ad copies, okay, that's which I am doing in Fiverr, and I'm also providing to different agencies. So copywriting and content writing is, right, which I learn over a period of a time. This is that, right, I'm showing you the demo, and this got a lot of likes over here, guys, like 55 sharing over here, right, 3 comments in this. So this is really important. It's a long copy, guys. It's not about long and short copies. It's all about, right, the writing on a proper way so that people should click on this link, okay, so that they can watch the product. Facebook is all about interrupt marketing, guys. The first thing is all about the image. The moment people will see this image, guys, the next thing they want to do is, like, they want to read this text, okay, and this is the text, guys, which will make them, right, to click on this link. Okay, so this is really important. You can't mess with, right, you can't put anything over here. So copywriting is a very important, guys, lifelong skill. Today, guys, just simply writing copies for different agencies, I am making money. That's my side business, okay, apart from doing affiliate marketing. After copywriting, guys, the fourth very important affiliate marketing skill which you can't ignore is persuasion. So what does it mean, guys? Persuasion is defined as the act of trying to convince someone of something, or the meaning of convincing someone to do something. So here, guys, I'm talking about whatever it's your ad copy, or you're just writing a content, okay? Paid traffic or free traffic, both I'm showing you. Your text or your, right, advertisement should to make them click on the links so that they can buy the product. So what does that mean, guys? Here you can see this, they are reviewing about this product called Research, which is a ClickBank product, and they're showing you all this, how does it work, right, the benefits, how is the solution unique, how can use this solution, right, where to buy and cost, and they're giving the right affiliate links over here, okay, worth buying. So all this they're showing to persuade people so that they can click on these links to buy the product. Same thing, guys, in the ads also. You're not simply writing in the ad copy just to forcing people. You can't write the ad copy to force the people to click on the links, okay? So this is persuasion, where you're writing a story. If you read this, like, wow, now I can manifest anything I want in my life. That's a hook, okay? Then finally, after watching the video created by the law of attraction and manifestation expert Alexander Wilson, this is one of the product of ClickBank, right? Manifestation magic. I discovered the manifestation of any desire is not complicated. For years, I did all those things to get the result, right? Reading the book. So I'm showing you the problem, okay? I did all these things, right? Reading the books and blogs, on the law of attraction, meditating, but I failed. Okay, but everything changed. I found out I could just push play to listen to a short musical tone. So I am showing them a problem, then I'm showing them I was using this musical tone by Alexander Wilson, and that changed my life, right? With Alexander guided video and system, my life finally seeing the abundance of wealth, success, love, and happiness. And if you want to see this, guys, go and click this. So this story is persuading people, guys, so that they can click on the links so that they can buy the product, right? Hope you're enjoying and learning, guys. Give the thumbs up to this video right now, right? Do not forget that. And my fifth very important affiliate marketing skill is understanding Facebook ad matrix, guys. Any paid ads, if you're running, it can be native ad, guys, it can be right YouTube ads or Bing ads. If you don't know how to read their ad matrix, it's very difficult for you to get the conversion from that campaign. So what does it mean here? So here I'm showing you one of my ad set, the how much impressions I'm getting right for this one ad. Here you can see 4,697 impression I'm getting, and the cost per result is very cheap, right? It's awesome. And as well as, guys, the amount spent is close to $10 till now, guys, and the frequency, right, of showing ad is also good. And the unique link clicks, I got 142, and the link click is 145, and the landing page view is awesome, because if I'm getting 142 as a unique link click and my landing page view is 124, right, I will rate it's going very well. Okay, it's fine for me. Okay, and the cost per landing page is very cheap. So you should know, guys, how to read this unique link, right, link clicks, landing page view, cost per landing page. All of these metrics, right, are very important. This will, right, guide you, right, how to increase your ad spend, or you have to stop the campaign. Whatever these, guys, these ad metrics are really important, or else, guys, you will lose lot of money in your campaign and you'll never going to get any conversion. So that's what I'm recommending you, right? Whenever you start running Facebook ad or any ads, guys, start with lower budget, right, like $5, and run it for 3 days, guys, so that you can get all this data, right, all these metrics, and understand those data, guys. If it is not giving you, right, proper landing page view, that means, guys, right, you have to change the landing page. Okay, if it is giving you, right, a lot of good clicks but it's not going to convert, guys, there may be that you have to change, right, the offer. Okay, there are so many things which you have to understand, right, after understanding this one. So these 5 affiliate marketing skills are very important, guys. You can't ignore these affiliate marketing skills. I will highly recommend you to learn all of these 5 skills, right? Content marketing, providing values, copywriting, persuasion, and understanding Facebook ad metrics. And this can't learn, guys, overnight. It will take some time to learn all of these 5 skills, and without these, guys, you can't call your business, right, affiliate marketing business or as a long-time business. Hope you like this 5 skill, guys. Give the thumbs up to this video. Do like this video, guys, right away, right now. And if you're first time watching, guys, do subscribe my channel to see a lot of good contents like this. Let me know anything you want to know more in the comment. Thank you. And you want to make passive income, guys, watch this video, which will help you to understand how to make passive income working from home, making money online.